Golem GLM is currently trading at 55 cents, guys, at a current market cap of $552 million. It's currently ranked number 137 on the list, guys. But before trading hot on this, what is Golem? The Golem network is a decentralized computation network, a new way of distributing redundant computing power to those who are in need of it on demand. It creates a peer-to-peer network where users join on an equal basis to buy and sell computations, splitting up complicated tasks into smaller subtasks in the network. In Golems, there's no central authority, and no user is more or less important than another. Let's get to what markets that they're on. Where can you trade or hodl this, guys? They're on BitThumb, Binance, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Uniswap, Get.io, Huobi Global, Bittrex, Poloniex, Crypto.com exchange. So they're on pretty much all the big ones, guys. So trading hodl is available. Let's look at that price ratings. Now they get a double B by stable outlook. That is a huge thing, guys. So if you guys want to learn more about how they do their price ratings, please check out the link below. You can see how they evaluate it. And I like more cryptocurrencies with price ratings. It really like helps establish what they are. They're not a meme coin, stuff like that. Just check that out, guys. I'll have a link below. Let's get to the some news. Now, when it comes to the news on CoinMarketCap, I didn't find anything really relevant except for a huge market move down. There is a pretty cool article they have on their Twitter page, which I'll show you guys in a second. I was going to their website. Now, website also very clean. I talked about this in my last price update, which I'll give you on the more on the analysis when it comes to the price prediction, guys. But if you learn more about it, please check out their website. But when it comes to their Twitter page, guys, Twitter page is really, really cool. I like how they had a chess competition. I play chess literally every single day. It's one of my favorite things to do. But please check that out. Also on Twitter, follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. I talk about politics, trading, and business and stuff like that, and also cryptocurrency. So check me out, guys. Let's get to that price prediction. Now, my last price prediction, guys, I thought it was gonna hit a dollar. We did go up to 80 something cents. So if you got into that trade, if I got into that trade, for me at the time, I would have locked in my profits. I would have got taken out, which is fine because that means I'm taking out with profits. But what is currently at, how it's heading down, let's see what this wick's going to do. I'm going to head to the daily now. This is a monthly. All right, let's check this out. Now, if you can see on here, you can see this massive amount of wicks down here, currently sitting at the 45-cent level. That's a good indication that they want to be away from this price. As it currently is doing, it is looking like it's trying to fill this void right here back to these other highs. So we have a pretty good location for hodling. For me, for trading, I like a better location to trade. Something like that's trending like this. Like this is a beautiful thing like this. I like stuff like this when it comes to trading. Or for hodling like this, it can go down a little bit because cryptos are all heading pretty much down in the month of December, which is fine. That's how it is. People take profits to buy groceries or buy Christmas present, holiday stuff. You know. Also, when it comes to heading down, guys, I think it's going to be heading down a little bit, maybe short term to the 45 cents level. But my price prediction, my updated price prediction is going to be about, let's see, at this level, at the 75 cents level. So, price prediction, guys, 75 cents level. I'm going to hodl my way that way. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So, currently jump in at current price. And off the bat, since I'm hodling, guys, I like to plan out my trades a lot better. Since it's going to be a long-term thing. Most likely, it's not going to hit 75 cents in the same day. Because if it does hit 75 cents, I'm not going to completely take out all my position. I'm going to take only some out. And basically get my money back and let the rest run. But if it doesn't do that and heads down a little bit lower to this, let's say support zone at 45 cents right here and stuff like that, I'm just going to place a buy limit or just enter in market if it heads down there. Because since I'm hodling, I want to have a periodic time on when I'm entering. So if I have my job paying me, let's say $500 every week, and I'm taking $100 every month, every weekend, every Friday, I'm going to throw it into Golem and built that up. So one, I get that mental resistance, so I'm not like getting all emotional about trading and stuff like that. But I'm also having a plan of entry, and that's like the same thing I've done in many other videos. Entry plan your entry, plan your exit. So my exit would be very simple too. If it goes down here, I have multiple entries, maybe one or maybe two. It may take a couple of days. Or actually, it will be weeks. It would take a couple of weeks. So if I have 3 or 4 entries in here and it hits a 75 cents level, I'm going to take my original capital out and let the trade just run, move my stop loss above my entry. So if it moves back down, it'll knock me out with the profit. You understand? Most people don't trade like this because they don't think about profits. They think it's going to run to the moon. I talked about this in other videos how other cryptocurrencies just go to the moon. I mean, that happens, yeah. But if it doesn't and it goes up 20-30%, you want to make sure that you lock in some of that trade so you can walk away with your profits. So, but I'm not telling you what to do. I'm saying what I would do. So that's what I would do. My price prediction is 75. Let's see. It's 70 cents. 70 cents. My price target. If any questions, please drop them below. We can have that conversation. Let's check out my website, guys. On McClendon.com, I have things about Forex, trading. I'm updating this fiber and contracts. So if you're looking at someone to make you an indicator or help you with your EA or Forex or programming help, just let me know. We can have a conversation about that on there. I'm updating it currently. Check out my cryptocurrency portion. We have things about conversation. You have the top cryptos, crypto chart stuff. Also, open up your free crypto account, Forex account, stock account. You get to share. I get to share also when it comes to Robinhood, and I have them also in the link below. Check that out. And if you're looking for a course, guys, I have Forex education, stocks, and financial education. Forex also has cryptocurrency. So please check that out, guys. And if you have any questions or comments, just drop them below. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.